मंत्री महोदय मोशन लाएं।
सर, आई इंट्रोड्यूस द बिल।
अब मोशन भी लाएं।
Sir, with your permission, sir, 3 members have mentioned about the objections to introduction of this bill. I'd like to say that actually Sri N.K. Premchandran's objection doesn't seem to be correct at all, because, and that's also mentioned in my introductory remarks, the Income Tax Act was originally enacted in 1961, came into effect in 1962, sir. At that time, they had only 298 Act sections, and that is correctly referred. But then as the time went by, year after year, many more sections were added, and as it stands today, there are 819 sections. From that 819, we are bringing down to 536. So he should look at what it is today rather than what is in 1961. So on that objection, I don't think there is a he is right. I don't think he's right. He should understand where the law is today and where it is being reduced. And second, sir, Manish Tiwari also meant, Manish Tiwari's argument was that sections are more now rather than when it was in 1961. That's a point. Then, that I've answered. Then 4,000 amendments have been made from 1961. And all those are being looked at now, being reduced now. So Manish Tiwari's core argument that it contains 536 clauses and has also more number of amendments now, I think he's not even looked into the papers, I'm sorry to say, so it cannot be sustained. N.K. Premchandran's statement about objects and reasons being different is also not correct, sir. The objects and reasons I can explain in detail when we take it up for discussion, but it cannot be sustained as an objection. Thirdly, Professor Saugata Roy's comment that again the philosophy and also the number of words and so on, he's looking at thinking that it is only a mere mechanical change. They are not mechanical change. Substantial changes are being made. Number of words have come down by half. Where there was 5.5 lakh words, now it's come down by half. Sections have come down. Chapters have come down. It's in plain simple English and plain simple Hindi, and therefore these are not sustainable objectives.
आप मोशन लाएं, माननीय मंत्री जी, मोशन ले आएं।
सर,
प्रश्न मैं पढ़ता हूं, फिर इसका मोशन लाना। प्रश्न ये है कि विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में माननीय मंत्री विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित। आप किस पे ना कर रहे हैं आपको पता नहीं है, आप बाहर चले गए थे। चलो माननीय मंत्री जी।
Sir, I want to say, sir, that I'm moving a motion. With your permission, sir, I rise to move that the House agrees to authorize Honorable Speaker yourself, sir, to constitute a select committee of this House on the Income Tax Bill 2025. The terms and conditions regarding the committee will also be decided by the Honorable Speaker. The committee shall make a report by the first day of the next session. I move this.
एक बार बिल को इंट्रोड्यूस कर दें।
Okay,
बिल को
sir.
इंट्रोड्यूस कर दें।
So I introduce the bill.
प्रश्न ये है कि माननीय मंत्री जी द्वारा प्रस्तुत प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया जाए। जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में वो हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य प्रस्ताव के पक्ष में ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में, निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में प्रस्ताव स्वीकृत हुआ। आइटम नंबर 9, श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी।
Honorable Speaker, sir, with your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers on the table of the House mentioned against the name of my colleague, Shri Shripad Yeshwant Naik, pertaining to the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy at serial number 9 in the today's revised list of the business. Thank you.
आइटम नंबर 25, श्री जगदींद्र पाल जी।
अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं आपकी